In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rules in Outlook Desktop and New Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded, rules are a simple way to automatically sort, tidy, and prioritize messages so you can focus on what matters. We'll walk through creating a rule from scratch, and I'll share tips along the way to help you make it work reliably. Start by opening Outlook and clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. This is your quick path to mail preferences and automation features. From the panel that appears, navigate to Mail, then select Rules. This is where all your existing rules live and where you'll create new ones. Click the plus Add New Rule button. Think of a rule as when a message matches certain conditions, do a specific action. To keep everything organized, begin by naming your rule. Use a clear descriptive name you'll recognize later. Like move newsletters to updates, avoid putting any sensitive details in the name. It's just for your reference. Next, add a condition. This tells Outlook what to look for. Common choices include from, which targets messages from a particular sender, and subject includes, which matches keywords or phrases in the subject line. Choose the condition that best reflects the messages you want to manage. Being specific helps prevent unintended matches. For example, subject includes. Invoice is more precise than a vague term. If you see options to add more than one condition, consider how narrow you want the match to be. Tighter conditions mean fewer false positives. Now choose an action. This is what Outlook should do when an email meets your condition. Move to sends the message straight into a folder you select, which is great for categorizing routine mail. Delete removes it, useful for low-value mail you don't need to see. Mark as read can reduce notifications for messages you still want to keep but don't need to actively review. Pick the action that achieves your goal, and if moving messages, select an existing folder that makes sense for your workflow. When you are happy with the setup, click Save to activate the rule. Outlook will apply it going forward to new messages that meet your conditions. If you have multiple rules, keep in mind that the order and specificity can influence which rule activates first. So clear names and thoughtful conditions go a long way. That's it. Your rule is live and your inbox just got smarter. Review your rules periodically and adjust as your needs change. Thanks for watching.